Welcome back to another Forge Motorsport video. Today we're doing an instructional on our i20N induction kit. Part number for this one is FMINDK45. Be a quick install, so we'll just jump straight into it. Once we've opened the bonnet, the first step is to remove these hose clamps on the inlet pipe. Because we've got our Forge valve already installed, we don't need to worry about the one on the blank, but this one here, we're just going to use a pair of pliers to remove that. With the clip backed off, we can now remove this hose just like so. Now we're going to remove the inlet hose. To do this, we just need to loosen off these two clips. There's one here and one just at the back. You just need a 10mm socket on these, and you may want an extension for the one at the back. With the two clamps removed, we can now remove the intake hose. You can do this just by gently prying on it, and it will come off fairly easily. With the intake pipe removed, we're now going to remove the duct. First off, we're just going to use a flat brace screwdriver or a trim tool to remove these two plastic clips. We're going to remove the airbox now. This is secured with three 10mm fasteners. They're located just here, one here at the front and one here at the back. So we'll do that now. With the fasteners removed and the clips on the scoot removed, you can now just gently pull up on the airbox and remove it from the vehicle. We're going to remove one of the M10 fastenings to the left of the air duct next. We're going to use this position and the fastening to secure our heat shield in a further step. Next, we're going to fit the Forge heat shield. This just slots in position where the OEM airbox was, and we'll show you how we do that now. We're going to use one of the OEM fasteners that we took off of the airbox previously to now secure the heat shield to the bottom of the engine bay. Using the fastener we took off the air duct earlier, we're now going to secure the heat shield up above here as well. We're now going to use a supplied 10mm fastener to secure the back of the heat shield. With the heat shield installed, we can now reinstall the OEM inlet. Don't forget to re-secure the fastening on the back of the inlet. We're now going to install the included alloy tube onto the end of the inlet, and we'll do that like so. With the alloy tube now installed, we can fit the filter onto the other end of that. With the filter now fitted, you can tighten both of the clamps on either end of the alloy tube. With everything else now fixed up, don't forget to add this hose back onto the inlet, and then take the retaining clip and pop that one back into place, securing it on. That's the install of FMINDK45 now done. You can take the car for a drive, enjoy the increased acoustics in the engine bay. We'll take ours for a drive now and we'll show you that. But otherwise, if you want to see us do any more installs, let us know in the comments down below, but we'll see you in the next one.